In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to delete your Monday.com account. Before you fully delete your account, the first thing you need to do is cancel any paid subscriptions connected to it. This makes sure you're not charged again in the future and that your billing is properly closed out. Start by signing in to your Monday.com account on a desktop browser. Once you're in, look toward the top corner of the screen for your profile picture or initials. This small icon is your main gateway to account and admin settings. Click on your profile picture, and from the drop-down menu that appears, choose Administration. If you don't see this option, it may mean you're not an admin on the account, so make sure you're logged in with an admin-level user before continuing. After you open the administration area, you'll see a menu with several options for managing your account. Here, look for the section labeled Billing. Click on Billing, and then select Overview. This is where Monday.com shows you all the active plans or products tied to your account, along with their renewal status and payment details. On the Billing Overview page, find the specific product or plan that you want to cancel. This might be your main Workspace subscription or any additional Monday.com products you've added. Next to the product's name, look for a small icon with 3 dots, sometimes called the More Options or Overflow menu. Click on those 3 dots. This is where Monday.com hides the actions you can take on that particular plan. From the menu that appears, choose Delete Product, or in some cases, you might see an option that says Cancel Product Plan. The exact wording can vary slightly depending on your plan type or region, but the purpose is the same. You're telling Monday.com you want to stop that subscription. Once you click it, you may be asked to confirm your choice or select a reason for canceling. Take a moment to read any notices about when your access will end. Often, your account will remain usable until the end of the current billing period, even after you cancel, so you can still download important data or notify your team before everything closes. After you've completed this process for each active product, your paid subscriptions will be canceled. From there, you'll be in a good position to move forward with fully deleting your Monday.com account, knowing that your billing and subscriptions have been properly taken care of.